Dear student, welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area Nevada. Today I discuss the remaining problem of exercise 5A of the exercise 5A of arithmetic progression related to questions. You see from questions number 36 up to 33 I solved in previous video. Now see starting from 36. Here is 4 part value of n, the nth term of the AP, this, and the nth term of this are equal. There are 2 AP here. First write solution. Here is 63, 65 and 67 dot dot dot. Here is A is equal to 63 and D is equal to 65 minus 63, that is 2. So what is Tn? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 63 plus n not given into minus 1 into D is 2, that is 63 plus 2n minus 2, that is 61 plus 2n. It is first equation. Similarly, second is 3, 10, 17 dot dot 80. Here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? Here is 3 plus n minus 1. What is D? D is 7, because 10 minus 3 is 7. So D is 7. Then it is 3 plus 7n minus 7. That is 7n minus 4. It is second equation. From your questions both are unequal. So you can write 60 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. So what you get? You get here plus 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 60. Then 2n minus 7n, that is minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Cancel. Hence 5n is equal to 65. So n is equal to 13. So 13 term is the both AP that term are equal in this question. Now see question number 39. The 19th term of an AP is equal to 3 times its 6th term. First equation is this. Condition is given that T19, that means 90 term, is equal to 3 times of 6th term, that is T6. First equation is here. The 19th term of an AP is equal to 3 times of its 6th term. Then you write here, that is A plus 19 minus 1 into D is equal to 3 into A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Here is T19 is equal to 3 times of the 6th term. Then here is A plus 18D is equal to 3 A plus 5D. Hence A plus 18D is equal to 3A plus 15D. Multiply by 3. Then you write here A plus 18D minus 3A minus 50D is equal to 0. So what you get? You get minus 2A and plus 3D is equal to 0. It is your first equation. Second condition is its 9th term is 19. That means 9th term is 19. That means T9 is equal to 19. You write here A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to 19. Then A plus 8D is equal to 19. It is second equation. Now dear students, you write here minus 2A plus 3D is equal to 0 and A plus 8D is equal to 19. It is first equation. There is second. You multiply by 1 and multiply by 2. Then minus 2A plus 3D is equal to 0, 2A plus 16D is equal to 38. Then here is adding it, they cancel. Here 19D is equal to 38, then D is equal to 2. If D is equal to 2, then substitute here value, that is minus 2 into A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. Then minus 2A is equal to minus 6. Then A is equal to 3. So what is AP? So AP is first term is 3 and common difference is 2, that is 5, 7, 9 etc. So it is in AP. So there are two equations in every question, 38, 37 etc. You first write equation with the help of this language and related to AP, that is 90 term AP is equal to, that is T9 is equal to 3 times of the 6 term. So first equation is there and second equation is 90 term AP is 19, and if you find two equations then you find the value A and D with the help of elimination method. Now see question number 40, that is if the pth term of an AP is Q and its qth term is P, then show that P plus qth term is 0. Dear student, first you write solution and here you write pth term is equal to Q. It is given. What is pth? Pth means it is at the place of n. So you write A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q. So A plus PD minus D is equal to Q. First equation. Similarly, second equation is qth term is given P. So you write A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. That is A plus QD minus D is equal to P. Then you write second equation. First equation is A plus PD minus D is equal to Q, and second equation A plus QD minus D is equal to P. Subtract it, then plus here minus, plus minus here minus, then plus here plus, then minus. This A cancel and this D cancel. So what you have? PD minus QD. Then here is Q minus P. D is a common. Then P minus Q is equal to Q minus P. So what is D? So write here D is equal to Q minus P by P minus Q. It is cancelled by minus 1. If D is minus 1, then A plus PD minus D is equal to Q. Then A plus P into minus 1 and minus 1. I substitute the value of D in equation first. So what you get here? You get A minus P plus 1 is equal to Q is equal to Q. So what is A? Then A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. Because here is minus P, then that side plus P. Here is Q and this is plus 1, then minus 1. Now you have A and D are given. D is minus 1 and A is P plus Q minus 1. Now your question, what is so that is P plus Q term is 0. So what is P plus Q term? What is? This is P plus Q term is equal to A plus N at the place of N is P plus Q minus 1 into D. Again your question, what is your P plus Q term? This P plus Q term is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value of A. A is P plus Q minus 1 and plus P plus Q minus 1 into minus 1. Because D is given minus 1. Here D is given minus 1. So what is solved here? Here is P plus Q minus 1 minus P minus Q plus 1. Then 1 cancel, Q cancel, P cancel, that is 0. Then it is clear P plus Q term is 0. This type 3 or 4 question I solved in examples. This type question your work is first find A and D with the given equation and then substitute the value in the third part of the equation, then you get your solution. Then it is clear P plus Q term is 0. So it is your question. Now see question number 41, that is the first and last term order of an AP is A and L respectively, so that the sum of the nth term from the end is from the sum of the nth term from starting and from the end is A plus L. So there are two questions here. First, from the first term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, first equation. And from the last term Tn is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. There are two equations. Your question is so that sum of the from nth term, from the last and from the starting, both are is A plus L. So you add it, it is A plus n minus 1 into D plus L minus n minus 1 into D. What you get? It is plus n minus 1 into D, it is minus n minus 1 into D. So both are cancelled. Then what you get here is A plus L. So your question is clear that from the first and last term of an AP is so that the sum of its nth term will be A plus L. From the first is A plus n minus 1 into D, and from the last is L minus n minus 1 into D. And your question is their sum is, then their sum is A plus L, and both are Tn term, that means both are nth term. So it's their student, in these questions you only write the formula from the beginning and from the last of the AP. From the beginning, the formula of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D, and from the last of the AP is L minus n minus 1 into D, and when with their sum, then we get A plus L. So it is your solution. Now see, how many 3 digits number are divisible by 9? This type question has to find what is the smallest number of 3 digits, that is 100. And what is the largest number of 3 digits? That is 999. What is the smallest 3 digit number which is exactly divisible by 9? So we divided by 9. And what is the largest number divisible by 9? So we divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9, then 1, 0, again 9 ones are 9, then 1. So it is the smallest 3 digit number. You subtracted 1, then you get 2 digit number. So in this question, first you write 9 minus 1, that is 8. So first number is 100 plus 8, that is 108. Here is 9, 9 ones are 9, and see, again 9, ones are 9, 9, 1 are 9. Then it is clear, it is divisible by 9. If it is not divisible by 9, then this remainder subtracted from this dividend. In a smallest number, the remainder is subtracted from divisor and then added. But in greatest number, remainder is subtracted from the dividend only. So your what is AP? AP is 3 digit starting, that is 108. First number 3 digit, that is exactly divisible by 9. Before 108, no any other number that is divisible by 9, and that number are 3 digit. But first 3 digit number is 108, which is exactly divisible by 9. And second is 117, and third is 126, etc. dot dot dot. And last number is 999. Now your question is that what is the number of nth term is 99 given? Then you write Tn is equal to 999, then A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 999. Then what is A? Then A is 108 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? Difference is 9. Write 9 is equal to 9, 9, 9. Then here 108 plus 9n minus 9 is equal to 999. Subtract, then you get 99 plus 9n is equal to 999. What is 9n? That is 999 minus 99. That is 9n is equal to 900. So what is n? That is 100. So it is clear. Then we can say that n is the 100. So total number of 3 digits that is divisible by 9, and that number are 100. So 108, 117, 126, there are 100 terms that is exactly divisible by 9. Now see how many numbers are there between 108 and 999 which are divisible by 2 and 5 both. So if your question is related to 2 and 5, 5 and 7, 3 and 5, anything, then first you are going to find the LCM. So solution you write, first you write LCM of 2 and 5, that is 10. Now a smallest number is 108, 1, and the greatest number is 999. You divided both by 10. Divided 10, then 10 1 ja 0, then remainder is 1, here is 0, 0 ja, then remainder is 1. Here 10 divided 9 ja 90, then 9, again 9 ja, then 90. So remainder is 9. It is the smallest number, then it is clear to subtract 10 minus 1, that is 9. And you add 101 plus 1, that is 110. So first term is 110. So AP you write, AP is equal to 110, it is first term. Next term LCM is 10, then 120, dot dot 130, dot dot dot. And last term is divided by this, then you get 9 is the remainder. Then this 9 is subtracted from 999. That means 999 subtracted 9, that is you get 990. So last term is 990. So you can write here that is Tn is equal to 990, then A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 990. So A is 110 plus n minus 1 and D is 10. Then it is 990. Then multiply, that is 110 plus 10n minus 10 is equal to 990. Then it is 100 plus 10n is equal to 990. Hence, dear student, 10n is equal to 990 minus 100. That is 10n is equal to 890. So what is the n? That is 890 by 10. That is 89. So there are 89 terms between 101 and 999, that is exactly divisible by 10, and that means it is exactly divisible by 2 and 5. 2 and 5 means that number is exactly divisible by 2 and also divisible by 5. It is only possible when you find the LCM, that is 10. Then 10, 20, 30, etc. are exactly divisible by 2 and 5. But your question is related to 101, then after 101, what number is exactly divisible by 10? Then you get that number is 110. Similarly, last number is 999, it is not divisible by 10. But last number is 990, it is divisible by 10. That means it is exactly divisible by 2 and 5 both. So remain questions, dear students, try to by self. If any problem, then consult with me. Thank you, dear students.